Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, here today we'll see sometimes a message is sent and immediately it is deleted by your friend. Sometimes it leaves you in out of curiosity like what exactly that message was, and could it be really possible to read those deleted messages? Well, it is yes. I'll show you. For example, this is my WhatsApp. I'll just open this WhatsApp as well. These are two different like phones. Well, both are mine only, so I'll just put a hi here. So once I do that, look here, the hi has come. So for example, I immediately delete this message. Delete for there will be like three options for me: delete for me, cancel, delete for everyone, and delete for everyone. So you can see the message was deleted here. The same goes with here as well. I'll just send hi here. You can see immediately, without my knowledge, if that person would have deleted this message, then when I just open my WhatsApp phone after this message is deleted, then I cannot, there is no way to see what exactly he had sent. Well, there are mechanisms. Well, it is actually possible with the help of an app. So I'll tell you what is the app. We'll go to Play Store. So here you can type what's removed plus. As you can see, this is the app that I was talking about. Well, there are many other apps as well, but this seems to be very reliable and user friendly. You can install this app here. Once you install, you can open. So you have to like accept. Attention, we need to enable access to notifications so that WhatsApp removed can work. Do you want to do it now? Yes. Allow notification here, allow. For this app to function, you have to allow this. I'll go back. So it is loading now. So select the application you want to follow. We will save your notification and detect changes. So I'll just select my WhatsApp application. Then next. Do you want to detect and save deleted files? Well, do not save for the time being. More information. Well, I don't want to save files. Okay. From now, when an element comes to you and someone erases it, it will appear here. Fine. Very good. So I'll type one message like good evening. I send it. So you can see, I'll just delete this message. Select and delete. For everyone. So if I go here, notification detected. Let's see. So it hasn't come. So what I observed in this app, that if you have already seen that message in app WhatsApp, so it doesn't work. For example, I am out of WhatsApp now. I'll press something like hello. I press here. Fine. Then I delete this message. Delete for everyone. Look, I haven't seen this message here. So I delete it. So here you can see one notification has come. Notification detected. I'll press this. And here you can see hello. So if you have already seen the message, then this app is not detecting. This is how you can use this app. For example, another message, something rough. I'll just delete for everyone. There are new elements. I'll just click here. You can see this message has come. So the thing is, once you have seen it in WhatsApp, then it will not store that, it will not display you that deleted message. So unless you have seen that data in WhatsApp, this app will work. So friends, this is how you can see the deleted messages of your friends. Of course, for example, one friend has just written something and he deleted this message. Fine. And it happens that after 1 hour you saw it in WhatsApp, like this one, and this message is deleted. This is what happens in real scenario or in practical case. So here you can go to that app. You can see there are new elements. You can see what exactly is removed. This message. Fine. So this message is removed. So friends, this is it in this video. I hope you knew how to view or how to read deleted messages which was deleted for everyone by your friend on WhatsApp by using this app called What's Removed Plus. So use this app if you want to know what exactly the message which was deleted by your friend or by somebody who was sent you that message. So friends, I hope this video was useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video and share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this technique of reading deleted messages. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.